Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Privacy AI token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Privacy AI token just get listed on Binance Alpha, so you can buy it directly on your Binance apps. So first open your Binance apps and go to search box in the top here. And then you can search PRAI and you click enter, and then as you can see there's Prai on Alpha. You can click it, and then this is the charts. You can also check the details by click info in the top here. You can see the market cap and then 24-hour volume, and if you want to buy it you can simply click trade here, and then you can swap your BNB or other token to Prai. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.